Welcome to my project.basa.com. Now we are going to discuss about the further results on delay dependent stability of multi-area load frequency control. Now I am going to explain the brief concept of this process. Our main objective of our project is to regulate the supply voltage to load by cross connection of phase control method. Here we use a series and parallel voltage source converters for access to the input voltage interconnected through a common DC link capacitor. The response of the UPQC is a load balancing, power factor correction, voltage harmonic mitigation and current harmonic mitigation. Manipulator variable. The proportional integral and derivative terms are summed to calculate the output of the PID controller. Defining the controller output, the final form of the PID algorithm. Then the next one is the proportional term, integral term. It has separate functions and values. Then the next one is the Firefly algorithm. It's an optimization algorithm. It's a meta-heuristic algorithm inspired by the flashing behavior of fireflies. The primary purpose of a firefly's flash is to signal system to attract other fireflies. All fireflies are unisexual, so that one firefly will be attracted to all other fireflies. Attractiveness is proportional to their brightness, and for any two fireflies, the less bright one will be attracted by the brighter one. However, the brightness can decrease as the distance increases. If there are no fireflies brighter than a given firefly, it will move randomly. Biology-inspired meta-heuristic algorithm have recently become the forefront of the current research as an efficient way to deal with many NP-hard optimization problems. The next one is the algorithm implementation in the controller design. In first we derive the code for Firefly algorithm, then we implement the code into the PID controller design. From that only we get an optimized result, that is we improve the efficiency and also get the deregulations in the environment. This is the implementation work of our further results on delay dependent stability of multi-area low frequency control processor. These are the files used for this processor. Main is the main function file and the others are the sub-functions files. Main is the main function file, and choose and click the run file option. In our process, first we design the PID controller. So for the PID controller, we give the input as the constant value, whatever it is given, and then design the transfer functions for various sub-functions like s squared plus 1 and s squared plus 2. Then each transfer function is designed specifically, and it's a two-area connected system. So we control the PID controller for these two-area systems. And then next one is the Firefly algorithm. So we will first use the MATLAB function block and implement the code in that block. In Firefly algorithm, first initialize the algorithm parameters, then the maximum number of generations, that is highly absorption of coefficient, or the particular distances from the light source, and the domain space is chosen. Then the objective functions is defined. The next step is the generate the initial population of fireflies. Then determine the high intensity of files, that is light intensity, or then condition the while if condition. If the loop is checked for if I equal to 1, that is all number of fireflies, then I greater than I, then this process is end. If attractiveness varies with the distance R, via evaluate new solutions and update the light intensity. Then if the process is okay, that is condition is checked, means end, the process is end, and rank the fireflies and find the current best. From this we conclude that we find the optimized result for the two-area deregulated power system. Thank you.